naiisip, paano ngayon nagre-respond ang tayo, because of that fear of rejection and loneliness. Ang ginagawa natin ngayon to be better on everything. Gusto natin maging magaling sa lahat para tayo ma-accept ng lahat. Minsan, ang ginagawa natin, we just earn more money para walang sabihin yung ibang tao. Kasi naiisip natin, money ang sukatan ng lahat. We tend to buy happiness. Nakakala natin na doon na nakasalalay yung worth ng buhay natin. Minsan, para lang tayo matanggap ng iba, ginagawa na natin kung anong ginagawa ng iba kahit mali. Just to feel that acceptance of other people. Pero alam naman natin na si Lord lang talaga, that we can only cling to God. We can gain that security, His Word, through the Holy Spirit, to God, to Jesus Christ.